Adrian.
Jack.
Kathleen? What's going on?
Give me the phone. He said, give it to me.
Why didn't you tell me?
What? What the hell is happening?
Nothing's happening. I have Parkinson's. I can't play anymore. So you're gonna have to go find yourself another child prodigy.
Dear good, Fergus O'Cahan is handom. August Beavenlum part a glocka Ross na room. Is Evenlum an Ashtorocht. August is Evenlum an Gwelga. Chuig meg the Ilan Clara so sin Ilan in her Chorky. Chuig mewn nervís gohavlín de dish. August hitming rálish.
So Conleen an Sean Valia cá a going a cho. Agus an teach san Sean lá tuigeann tagart a bhí ann. Agus taobh here though an scoil náisiúnta. Áit ina bhfuil nílach néanúir dáta faoi láthair. Seo an Coen Haas.
Tá lán dúlagum san Ashtorocht.
Here's our fugitive.
Hi, Jack.
Ah, you really put me through hell. You have no idea of the shit that has gone down over this.
Sorry, Jack.
Huh, I bet you are. Your bank account cried more than your mother. No offense, Kathleen. Anyway, you're here now, and that's the main thing, right? I've got the paperwork on the veranda if you want to take a look.
Sure. Just gonna freshen up first.
By all means, sure. What's up with them?
Cá mé trí bliain mar chraoltóir ar radio na lifa, agus bhain mé lán tanna bhas sin. Uair a bháin, dhéan mé aglah le Mícheál D ó Higgín, agus ní raibh sé mar uachtarrán fós ach bhí sé mar Aristoid stocha, agus bhain mé lán tanna bhas an aglah sin.
An gáán linganis, tíagwit bhíl?
Dís meragat.
Ó ham go hang bím ar radio na Gaeltachta ar fanéil ag play cuasaí ratha.
Chlumanis le thurg siar ar rinste na scialtaí a bhí hantásaí san nuairta chartan seo the muir a trasa ní chealaí, creaaltar agus síálaí sport agus fasta Fergus cén inoltar agus a scanan ar foiilte róh bart tróna.
Gurmíd wahad.
Mai sibh.
Is Evenlum an Ashtorocht agus is Evenlum an Gwelga, so Beavenlum part a glocka ar Ross na room. Gur raibh míle mágad as ocht éisteacht agus fécant ar an fí seán seo. Slán go bhfuil.